One May morning I chanced for to roam, and stroll through the fields by the side of the road. It was there I did hear the harmless birds sing, and you never heard so sweet, you never heard so sweet. You never heard so sweet as the birds in the spring. At the end of the road I sat myself down, and the sound of the nightingale echoed all around. Their song was so charming, their notes were so clear. No music, no songster, no music, no songster, no music, no songster can with them compare. All you that come here, the small birds to hear, I'll have you pay attention, so pray all draw near. And when you're growing old, you will have this to say, that you never heard so sweet, you never heard so sweet. You never heard so sweet as the birds in the spring.